What if I told you you spent 12 to 16 years in school learning algebra, learning history, learning how to diagram sentences, but you were never taught how to manage risk, how to build assets, how to control lifestyle inflation, how to think in decades instead of paychecks? That's not an accident because school trains you to be productive. It doesn't train you to be financially independent. And today, I'm breaking down the 8 money rules that quietly determine who builds wealth and who stays stuck earning forever. My name is Wenz. I spend way too much time thinking about wealth-building psychology and long-term financial systems. And once you understand these 8 rules, you can't unsee them. School trains you to chase income, good grades, good job, higher salary. But income is just cash flow. Wealth is what you keep. You can make $120,000 and still panic over a $2,000 emergency. You can make $55,000 and sleep peacefully. Why? Because wealth is stored stability. Income impresses people. Wealth protects you. Schools reward visible achievement. Wealth rewards invisible discipline. The real metric? Net worth, savings rate, asset ownership, not salary screenshots. If 2 people make $100,000 saving 5% and $60,000 saving 30%, guess who builds freedom first? The second person, because the savings rate determines how fast you build optionality, how quickly you reduce dependency, how strong your financial nervous system becomes. School teaches earn more. Wealth teaches keep more. That difference changes timelines. This one is huge. Everyone wants to invest. No one wants to build cash reserves. But without stability, every market drop feels like a threat. Before investing aggressively, emergency fund, low fixed expenses, controlled debt. Growth without stability creates anxiety. Stability creates confidence. Confidence improves decision-making. This is why your first $2,000 often changes your behavior more than your first $20,000 invested, because calm beats chaos every time. You don't feel it happening. You just upgrade. Slightly better apartment, slightly better car, slightly better trips, slightly better everything. And suddenly you make more, but feel the same. School teaches upgrade your career. Wealth requires delay upgrading your lifestyle. Every dollar you don't inflate becomes leverage. Lifestyle inflation is the quiet killer of financial independence, not low income. School never explains this properly. There are 2 types of debt: consumption debt and productive debt. Consumption debt funds a lifestyle. Productive debt funds assets. One traps you, one accelerates you. But most people blur the line. If it doesn't generate income, it should not scale with your income. Debt should build systems, not appearances. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket or increases in value over time. Most people buy liabilities that look like assets. Nice car, high-end watch, designer upgrades. They produce dopamine, not cash flow. Assets are boring. Index funds, rental properties, business equity, skills that increase leverage. Freedom doesn't look flashy. It looks quiet. This is the one that hurts to learn late. If you invest $500 a month starting at 22 versus starting at 32, the difference over decades is massive. Not because you worked harder, because time compounded. School teaches deadlines. Wealth rewards early consistency. You don't need intensity. You need duration. Time makes average decisions look genius. This one isn't in any textbook. Financial success is emotional regulation. Markets drop, stay steady. Friends upgrade, stay steady. Unexpected bill, stay steady. Wealth building is boring on purpose. Calmer you are, better your decisions. The better your decisions, the faster you win. Most people don't fail financially because of math. They fail because of emotion. Think about it. How many of these were taught in school? Not in math class, not in economics, not in business. You learned how to calculate interest, but not how to use it strategically. You learned how to earn, but not how to design freedom. Here's the truth. The education system prepares you to participate. It does not prepare you to escape dependency. These 8 rules, they shift you from income-focused to system-focused, from consumption to control, from reacting to designing. If you internalize these early, you don't just make money, you build stability. And stability is the foundation of asymmetric wealth. If this helped you see money differently, subscribe, because we're not here to chase income. We're here to build leverage.